As I was passing by today, not just the smile itself that stopped me here, but also the color, the whole booth, everything. Now, today we are here with
Maria from Fluid Attacks.
Maria. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to speak to me a little bit about your company. Now, tell me, what is special about your company? Exactly what you guys do?
Well, we do security testing during the software development lifecycle. We specialize in reporting vulnerabilities in technology for the banking and fintech industries. So we help them to release secure technologies for the users.
Now, I know when it comes to security, as an individual, people always worry about, the information, and not just only that, like, where's my information is going? Is it being secure, or with someone else access to, or even if my information is being shared with other company? So what is it about your company that will make me as a consumer feeling comfortable to say, hey, something, let me go ahead and, I trust this company 100%, that I know that my information is not being shared, or, getting tons of email, or, those algorithms. I'm sure that if you say food, next thing you see pizza, burger coming at you. How do you secure me as a consumer about that?
Well, what we do is we do security testing for companies that offer digital products to consumers. So users need to know if the products they are using are secure. They should check with the provider if they have performed security testing, so they make sure that the information that is stored is secure, and that the technology that the users are using was already tested, and it is compliant with international standards, for example, for payments, for data storage, or any other kind of attacks that could happen to technology.
Okay, now since the pandemic, I know there's a lot of challenges come, not just as a company, as a business, but as also a consumer. Now, both on the consumer side, on the financial side, what are some of the toughest challenges that you have faced, that your companies face?
Usually, consumers are also a part and need to be careful when it's related to attacks. So they need to make sure the emails they receive, they don't click on links or SMS. If they don't know the sender, they need to change constantly their passwords and make them complex. So they also help companies to protect the information they provide. It's the responsibility of companies to keep information secure, but also users and consumers need to help these companies to protect their information. So also they need to also have authentication, for example, change passwords periodically, maybe once a month, and yes, make sure that they know where they're clicking when they receive an email or an SMS.
So what are the toughest challenges that you face as a company?
Usually companies are not that they are not really aware of the importance of security. They develop technologies, they offer it to consumers. The products are functional, but they are not secure. They test the functionality, but they don't test the security of these products because they want to be on the market as soon as possible. So, but they also need to make sure that the technology they are offering to consumers and users is secure.
Maria, I thank you so much for taking the time. This is everything that we need to know, and I'm sure my audience are very excited and happy to know that by dealing with your company, which is Fluid Attack, or whatever company that's dealing with Fluid Attack, that they know that their data is safe, it's not being breached or even shared with any other company as well. So again, Maria, thank you so much, and you have a great, beautiful smile.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Likewise.